Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have x to the power of x to the power of 2010 is equal to 2010. Now, what I'm first going to do is I'm going to take the power of 2010 on both sides. So now we have x to the power of x to the power of 2010 to the power of 2010, and this is equal to 2010 to the power of 2010. Now, as we all know, a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of m times n, right? So if this is true, then this also means that a to the power of m to the power of n, this is also equal to a to the power of n times m, meaning that a to the power of m to the power of n, this is equal to, this can also be written as a to the power of n to the power of m, meaning we can switch the places of n and m. So think of x to the power of 2010 as m in this case, and 2010 as n. I'm actually going to switch the places of these two exponents. So by doing that, I would get x to the power of 2010 to the power of x to the power of 2010. And now this is equal to 2010 to the power of 2010. Now, if we have something in the form a to the power of a is equal to b to the power of b, then this means that a is equal to b, meaning x to the power of 2010 is equal to 2010. So now to cancel out this exponent, I would need to take the root of 2010 on both sides. These two cancel out, and I would get x is equal to positive or negative root 2010 of 2010. So this is our answer.